Assalamualaikum guys. In today's lecture we are going to talk about the tree diagram of verb phrase. In the previous lecture we discussed about the prepositional phrase. So I request you all to please give a big thumbs up to my videos and like, comment, subscribe my channel. Please, it's a humble request to you all. Watch the whole video. So the first rule of the verb phrase is the verb phrase consists of verb only. For example, we take an example of left. Left is a verb, so we make a tree diagram like that. Verb phrase consists of verb, that is left. The second rule is verb phrase consists of verb and then the adverb. Adverbs are the modifiers, they only modify the verbs and they are optional. We may attach these adverbs to the verb and may not be. So we take the example of left quickly. Verb phrase consists of verb and then adverb. Verb is the left and adverb is the quickly. Third rule is that verb phrase consists of adverb, adverb phrase, then verb and then adverb phrase. In many of these adverbs can appear on the either side. It may be appear on the left or it may appear on the right side. And you can have as many adverbs as you like. So for that's why we give the example of plus. We give the sign of plus to the adverb, so you can add as many as you like. Here is an example of he deliberately always left quietly early. So verb phrase is adverb, then adverb, then verb, then adverb, and then again adverb. Here the deliberately is an adverb, always is also an adverb. Left is the verb, and then quietly is also adverb, and early is another adverb. Now we are going to our rule number 4, that is verb phrase consists of adverb, as many you like to add, then verb. We attach a noun phrase also to the verb phrase, and then as many adverbs as you like. So here is an example of Bill. Yeah, you may also take another name. Bill frequently kissed his mother-in-law. We make tree diagram of this like verb phrase consists of, so frequently is an adverb, so first we attach adverb, then kissed is the verb, and then his mother-in-law is a noun phrase. Adverb is frequently kissed. The golden rule that noun phrase consists of the determiner, and then the noun determiner is his and noun is mother-in-law. Okay, we also change this, that we attach adverb first, so we also attach frequently to the last, like Bill kissed his mother-in-law frequently, so this frequently came that side. I made it. Bill kissed his mother-in-law. Instead of frequently we use quietly. So the rule is like verb phrase consists of, first is the verb, then noun phrase, and then adverb phrase. So verb is kissed, noun phrase is determiner, and then the noun his mother-in-law, and then adverb quietly. So the fifth rule is that verb phrase consists of adverb phrase, then verb, noun phrase, and then the adverb phrase. plus wala option. You are allowed to have maximum only 2 noun phrases in one sentence of verb phrase. So we are not attach the plus sign to that because only 2 are allowed. So we write the 2 of them. Example is that I spared the students any embarrassment yesterday. We make it like verb phrase consists of first one is spared, so it is a verb, then noun phrase, again noun phrase, and then adverb phrase. So verb is spare, noun phrase determiner, then the noun, the students, determiner noun, any embarrassment. Adverb is yesterday. The last rule of verb phrase is the sixth one is that verb phrase consists of adverb phrases plus, then verb, then 2 noun phrases, then adverb phrases plus. We also attach prepositional phrases, as many prepositional phrases as we can. Okay, so here we take the example of Bill frequently got his bucket from the bazaar or store for $1. Okay, so we make it like verb phrase. First one is frequently, so it is a adverb. Then got is a verb, his bucket is a noun phrase, from the bazaar, from is a preposition, so we took from there to there is PP, there to there is NP, VP, adverb phrase, and then 4 is also preposition, so this is also PP. We also attach PP. Like adverb phrase is frequently, got, noun phrase consists of determiner and noun, his bucket, PP. So P is divided into first P, that is from, then NP, determiner, and then noun, the bazaar, then P for, then NP, which is divided into D and N, $1. So here is an example of verb phrase that is complete. We also attach prepositional phrases, as many as we like to add. Thank you so much, guys. Please share my videos, subscribe my channel, so it keep me motivated, and I also made other videos.